What's going on, everybody? Tyrell here. If you like crypto, on this channel I bring the fundamentals and technicals to curate valuable information to help you on your journey. A free way to help me out is to subscribe. Make sure to like and comment on these videos, and we have some exciting news in the crypto markets. Taking a look at the total crypto market cap, we're currently sitting at $2.14 trillion. So we've finally broken that resistance at $2 trillion, and honestly, the moon is the next target. I'm just gonna put that out there. In actual numbers, I'm thinking maybe like 5 trillion, maybe $10 trillion. Let's go out here. I don't even think I have 9 trillion and 10 trillion. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing really stopping it. There's really no other resistance points at this point. It's all price discovery when it comes to the amount of money that's flowing into the crypto market. So it's just a wait and see, and this is honestly really exciting. This is on the eve of Coinbase going public, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. But yeah, this is looking very good and very healthy for the crypto market. Taking a look at Bitcoin, we surpassed that $60,000 resistance level, and this is just a very strong candle once again on the eve of the Coinbase IPO. So we can see a lot of money flowing into the crypto market, and this thing will probably just march higher and higher over time as people get more exposure to the crypto market. So in my previous videos I was saying how 58,000 and 60,000 was like a zone there, but now we made a brand new all-time high, and now we're in price discovery again. Let's go into Ethereum. This is currently at brand new all-time highs. In my previous videos I was mentioning how 2,500 was another target, and we are nearly there. We are, let's see here, 8% away from hitting 2,500, and I mean, there's really nothing holding it back. Why would people want to sell this when it looks so bullish? Honestly, everything's up. The entire crypto market is up. So if you've been holding crypto within the last month, you're up. Simple as that. Let's go into Cardano. This thing is absolutely flying. Unfortunately, on Coinbase, this chart here, there's not a lot of price data. So what I'm going to do is go to a different exchange. Let's go to Binance. There's a lot more price history on here. Let's go back to week. So we're currently surpassing previous all-time highs in terms of like actual candle here. So you can see all of these wicks. So going above that, Cardano could potentially make a brand new all-time high in due time. As I've mentioned in previous videos, what I'm doing with Cardano is I'm staking it on the Yoroi wallet. So I have my Cardano here, and I'm earning rewards, and this thing is appreciating in value over time, so it's compound interest squared. So that's what I'm doing with Cardano. Next we have Graph. This thing has so many wicks. I don't know why. Like, it gets bullish and then bearish and then bullish and bearish. So we passed the $2 mark yesterday and currently down to $1.92, but this thing is still doing pretty well. Just holding on to it. I dollar cost average into all of these cryptos here, so I say that for full disclosure. This is not investment advice. This is just my opinion and my experience. I want to reiterate that. Next we have Tezos, and this thing has done pretty well, not gonna lie. I'm actually going to delete this, and I'm going to show you guys what I did and how I came up with that. So this is a trend line from this point to this point. I control click and then I just drag it up here, and that is another trend line. So we're in this parallel channel, currently at the top of it. Also touched resistance at $7, and what I'm doing with Tezos, I'm holding it onto Coinbase, and I'm earning Tezos rewards just for holding Tezos on the Coinbase platform, which is going public tomorrow. Next we've got Algorand, same thing as Tezos. I'm earning Algorand rewards, and this one had this pattern here. So had this descending trend line, and we had this price break above it, hit $1.50, came back down, and then can we potentially see a rally at the same height and distance as this previous one, given this break? And if it does, the next target is $2.80, maybe even up to $3. Hopefully, that's just one of my targets, given this pattern that's on here, and we'll see. I'm not going to shield this or anything. I'm just going to let price do its thing, and if it gets to that point, then I benefit from it. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. At the end of the day, I'm just going to have more Algorand. So, all right, it's a win for me. Next, we got Atom. Basically the same pattern as Algorand, and the target that I have for Atom is $40. I do know that you can actually leverage trade this. I'm not doing that myself. I just dollar cost average. In this game, the only thing that I really care about right now is accumulating as much as what I have right now. So anything that I have right now, I'm either earning interest, I'm dollar cost averaging in it, or I'm earning staking rewards in it. So over time, I'm just going to accumulate more, and the price is going to appreciate. Given the fact that we're in a bull run, everything is pointing towards upward momentum, and more money is flowing into the crypto market. Ergo, the prices are just going to go up, because you're really not going to find these returns anywhere else. Lastly, we have Link, and we're currently sitting above this $35 resistance mark. If we can get a daily closure above this, then I would say like $50 is the next target for me. It could probably fall a little bit lower than that, but I just have $50 on there as a nice round number, psychological number. All right, let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. We are currently up 5.4%. So that's how much money is flowing into the crypto market, and everything that's like in the top 20 is just up. So we got Bitcoin up nearly 9%, Ethereum up 8%, Binance coin is doing extremely well, up 34%. XRP is just killing it. A lot of people are buying into this. I'm personally not. I don't have access to it as a US citizen, but some people, they just held on to their XRP, or they found a way to get access to it. So good for them if they got some XRP. Cardano I do hold, up nearly 15%. Don't hold Tether nor Polkadot. I've always wanted to get some Uniswap, but I never have. Maybe one of these days I'll actually get some Uniswap, just because I fully respect what they're doing. Hayden Adams, I believe, is the creator of Uniswap, and they have a decentralized exchange, and that's literally going to be the future as long as they can get the Ethereum fees down. Just being able to swap between projects and coins, it's a no-brainer, honestly, being able to do that. Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold, and that is doing pretty well. It is also part of PayPal merchant payments. So Litecoin is definitely a much faster method of payment compared to Bitcoin, and also you can buy a full Litecoin at a cheaper price than a full Bitcoin. So a lot of people will definitely look at that if they wanted to hold an entire coin in and of itself. Stellar is doing well, 25%. Chainlink 3%. Bitcoin Cash, Theta, Dogecoin is doing fairly well. The meme coin, I don't hold any Doge. I don't necessarily care for Doge. It's literally a joke. But some people are making a lot of money, so I mean, good for them. Yeah, it's interesting to see how this thing will progress over time. I know that the creators of Dogecoin are taking it more seriously, so they've put more time, effort, and development into making the Dogecoin ecosystem stronger and more robust. So good for them. Filecoin, USD coin. Some good things about USD coin. As we get to the later stages of this bull run, this will play a pivotal part in a lot of people's wealth management strategies. So be aware of USD coin. Tron, VeChain, doing some really good things. I have some friends that own some VeChain. I personally don't, and I don't understand the full tokenomics of VeChain. Wrap Bitcoin the same as regular Bitcoin just on the Ethereum network, and Solana rounding out the top 20, up at 10%. All right, getting into news. Honestly, the only thing that really matters this week is the Coinbase IPO and seeing what that does. Coinbase would literally set the bar and the standard of everything that is cryptocurrency related. So it's going to go public on the NASDAQ, and that will essentially be the barometer for any other exchange or decentralized exchange, given Coinbase's statistics, revenue, income, average daily user, average revenue per user, and it would be the benchmark. So say if like Binance has higher numbers than Coinbase, then Binance would be worth more. Say Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange, which is essentially a direct competitor to Coinbase, if that has more daily volume than Coinbase, does that mean the Uniswap token is going to be worth a lot more than the Coinbase stock in and of itself? At the same time, if Coinbase's IPO does really well, or direct listing, I'm sorry, does really well, and the stock market, the regular stock brokers see the value in cryptocurrency related stocks, we can just see a flood or a rush of exchanges to list their shares onto a stock platform. So we can see Kraken probably going public, maybe even Binance. eToro is going to go public, and some other exchanges out there following Coinbase's lead. One sec. Yeah, so it's interesting. That's really the top of the news, the only thing that really matters. Let's look at Cointelegraph. Nothing really important on here that I should really go over. I would just say, like, Coinbase is going public. It's the only thing that matters. I currently hold $18,000 on Coinbase's platform, so I wish them much success. If you wanted to open your own Coinbase account, I'll share a link in there. 6 of my friends have actually opened Coinbase accounts, and they've also gotten $10 worth of free Bitcoin. If you wanted to get into some cryptocurrency education, I'll also leave an affiliate link to the source that I use to learn everything that I needed to learn, the basics for cryptocurrency, and then some additional stuff on top of that. So I'll leave a link for that. That is actually Cryptonary, and they've honestly helped me a tremendous amount. That, coupled together with Coinbase and my own personal research and drive to really understand the cryptocurrency market and look out for all of these opportunities, because they're out there. And if you know where to look and you know who to listen to, then these people can actually make you money. That is not financial advice, nor is that investment advice. That is my opinion and from my experience. Obviously, you can see on the screen we're making money. So yeah, this is Tyrell. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.